Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. Just a really quick video. Sorry it's not going to be my usual Monday video. Just wanted to explain why I was a bit MIA. So I've had my brother visiting with my niece from like middle of last week, and they just went home yesterday. So that's why I didn't post any videos. I wasn't very present on social media or answering comments. Just wanted to spend real quality time. You know, we don't see each other very often. He lives up north. He came with his two dogs. So one of them is Louis' mum, as some of you will know, Lacey. And then they got another Shih Tzu, which is completely black, and her name is Lottie. And she is crazy. In fact, both of them are crazy. Louis was so unhappy to having intruders in his home. He absolutely hates the little Lottie, and she loves him. She kept bothering him. She just has so much energy. She wants to play every day, all day. I might actually insert, I have a little video of Lottie and Lacey playing together, and Louis was just lying on the sofa looking disgusted. The weather was really nice, so we had lots of walks every day with the dogs. It was really nice to see my brother. I will have a video out on Wednesday. I've done a couple more looks with that new Morphe palette, so look out for that. I wanted to talk to you about what the title says of this video, but before I do that, I just wanted to bring your attention to this product. So I don't know about you, if any of you are premenopausal, but I have been getting terrible, almost like adult acne, not acne, but getting so spotty on my chin, on my nose, and on my forehead. And I am terrible picker. I know you're not supposed to do it, but I cannot bear it. If I just feel tiny bit, I will scratch it, then it will scab up, I will scratch the scab off, and I make such a mess of my nose, chin, and forehead. And a while ago, Max was suffering with a bit of acne, and I bought him the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. I will leave you the link of it. And I thought, well, I tried this. So every night I've been putting just a bit on my chin, nose, and forehead. And honestly, this is miracle. After a couple of days, 3 days, my spots were gone, and I keep using it because now and again I see one popping up. It's probably the zinc in it as well, which is antibacterial. So yes, if you're suffering with any type of blemishes, and mine are hormonal obviously, then I would really advise you to try it, because it worked for Max. Max used it for about a week and he hasn't used it since, but his skin is back to normal. So yeah, have a look at that. Okay, so what I wanted to bring your attention to, and I don't know if that already has happened to you, I get an email from, let me just tell you what they are called. It's like a blog for, not just for creators, but news about YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, stuff like that. And I got this email that said YouTube will stop emailing subscribers about new uploads. And I sort of ignored it, but thankfully I didn't delete it. And then I started noticing that I'm not getting any notifications of new videos being uploaded to whom I have subscribed. So I went back and read this article. So it says that YouTube will stop emailing subscribers about new uploads, and that was written on August 13th. And you know, it is quite annoying because first of all they introduced that bell, and we had to tell you, you know, when you subscribe, hit that bell so you get email notifications when we upload new video. Well, that does not matter now. I think it might actually be bad in push notifications. So I just read you this and let me know if you've stopped getting notifications. So let me read this to you. So they're talking about that it's been a constant source of frustration, this subscription notifications, because, you know, at first it didn't work properly, then they would notify people with delay, then not everybody would be getting notification. It's always been a mess. But they basically said that those notifications emails that they sent out, less than 0.1% of these emails are opened, which means if you get the notifications, most people don't open those emails. And people have told us that these emails contribute to inbox overload. I must admit, it was getting a bit. I'm subscribed to a lot of different channels, and yes, every day my inbox would be full of notifications. So they say the team said YouTube ran a test where it removed subscriber notifications, and results showed that when we don't send these emails, more people engage with push notifications and their subscriptions feed. Moving forward, users will be notified of new videos using push notifications on the YouTube mobile apps and on desktop if they are using Google Chrome, and have notifications turned on. So you have to have those push notifications turned on your mobile app or on your desktop or in your Google Chrome. As usual, the number of notifications / new videos will hover in the corner of user's mobile app, and the subscription feed within the app will have a red dot, letting them know they have unseen content. So I've never had those push notifications turned on. I have to have a look at that, because that can be annoying. You know, you have so many apps on your phone, and if you have push notifications turned on, then your phone blips constantly. But basically what you have to do now, when you are on watching YouTube video, as you look at it, on the left hand side in the corner you have those three lines, like a menu lines. If you click on that, you've got the subscriptions, so you have to click on that to find the new videos from people that you subscribe to. So you have to use this subscriptions tab more often, or you just have to keep checking on your favorite or subscribed YouTubers, but that can be difficult if you have lots of them. So yes, if you think that I haven't uploaded any videos because you haven't got notifications, this is why. In fact, I might actually put a link to this article in a description box so you can read it yourself. The top I am wearing, I forgot all about it. You might remember, was in the winter. This was in one of my Amazon hauls. I will try to see if they still have them. But it's a really nice top. It's got this scalloped edge here and down the bottom as well. Again, my jewelry, this is that gold chain that I bought the Paul bought me not long ago, but when I looked online that was sold out. And this is the Hitchcock Madrona. I've had this one for a very long time. When I give you a link to it, you will see that this shield necklace comes on like a oxidized, almost black chain. So that's what this one came as, but I didn't like it, so I had my sister-in-law to change it to gold. Oh, my lipstick is my favorite Charlotte Tilbury Electric Poppy. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and my earrings, I haven't bought them long ago, but I've shown them to you. Unfortunately, there is no place you can get them online. So this company, whoever they are, they just distribute to stores. So I bought it in my local store. And when I even looked on that store's online shopping, they are not available on there either. So I won't be able to give you a link to that. Okay, my lovelies, I just thought I'd pop in so you don't think something happened to me, because I'm always here on Mondays. Give you the heads up about notifications, and I will see you on Wednesday. Well, I've already recorded that video last week, so but you will see it on Wednesday. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you have a lovely week. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.